Good afternoon, Sir Markham. My name is Mark Jasny Z. Santos from Grade 12 STEM B, and in this video, I'm going to answer the guide questions from Lesson 1. For the number 1, why do you think Filipinos love to eat balut? Balut is a fertilized duck-egg embryo that is boiled and eaten from the shell, commonly considered as Filipino delicacy. Balut is sold in the afternoon. When they hear someone shouting about balut, they will buy it. They love to eat balut because it was affordable, delicious, and it contains high level of protein. For the number 2, how do you think the people that surrounds the child may be a good influence for him or her? Those people that surrounds the child can be a good influence if they know how to teach the child to be a good person. They must show the child proper behavior. They must be a good example to the child. Teach them how to be polite, talk to adults with respect, and behave. Those people that surrounds the child must be very careful with their actions. Don't show rudeness to others in front of the child, because what the child sees to the adults will eventually imitate the child. Why do you think political dynasty is existing in the Philippines? For me, political dynasty is a family which multiple members are involved in politics, particularly electoral politics. Political dynasty is existing in the Philippines because it is very convenient and very easy to run for politics even if you don't know anything about politics and no experience. As long as you have money, they will vote for you. And up to this time, political dynasty is existing because many Filipino still don't learn from their mistakes in repeatedly voting for candidates who related to each other because their votes are bought. When poverty lured them into money, their votes are bought.